Today, I want to talk about one of the most underused marketing channels for small businesses right now. And I genuinely think this one might surprise you. It is YouTube Shorts. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. We are already on TikTok. We are already doing Reels. Do we really need another platform? And I get that. But hear me out, because the numbers here are genuinely remarkable. YouTube Shorts is generating over 200 billion views every single day. That's 200 billion with the B every day. It has 2 billion monthly users, more than TikTok, which has about 1.6 billion. It has the highest engagement rate of any short term video platform at just under 6%. And here is the stat that should really get your attention. Creators with fewer than 5,000 followers average 2,600 views per short on YouTube. On TikTok, the same account size averages 660 views. On Instagram Reels, about 600 views. That is 4 times the reach for the same effort on a smaller account. And yet, only 9% of small businesses use YouTube for marketing. 9% only. So, there is a massive opportunity sitting here that most of your competitors are completely ignoring. But the numbers are just part of the story. What really makes YouTube Shorts special, especially for small businesses, is where it lives. YouTube is the world's second largest search engine, and that changes everything. TikTok is a discovery engine. It shows you what it thinks you will like. Instagram is a social graph. It shows you what people you follow are doing. YouTube is a search engine. It surfaces content that answers questions people are actively asking. So, when your ideal client types, "How do I choose a digital marketing agency?" or "What is Google Ads?" or "Best tips for small business marketing into YouTube," and millions of people do this every day, your short can come up as the answer, even if you have got zero subscribers, even if you only posted it last week. And here's the compounding advantage. TikTok and Instagram content typically sees most of its engagement in the first 24 to 48 hours. Then it fades away. A YouTube short gets indexed by the search engine. It can keep attracting views and building your brand for months or even years after you've posted it. You post it once and it keeps on working. So, what kind of content should you make? The most effective shorts for small businesses follow a simple pattern. One idea, one clear takeaway, delivered in about 15 to 30 seconds. Strong hook in the first 3 seconds. Quick tips perform really well. Something like 3 things to check before hiring a marketer, or the one mistake most business owners make with their website. Got to be punchy, useful, and immediately valuable. Answering specific questions your clients ask you is probably the easiest place to start. So, what do people ask you all the time? Film the answer under 30 seconds, upload it, and that's done. Behind the scenes works too. A 20-second glimpse into how your business operates. People trust they can see you. And do not stress about production quality. Authenticity beats polish on short form video almost every time. Your smartphone is enough. Your office, your car, your shop floor, these are all fine. One idea expressed clearly and directly to camera is all you need. So here's your action plan for this week. Step 1. Write down 5 questions your clients ask you regularly. Those are your first 5 shorts. Step 2. Film each answer in under 30 seconds. Start with the answer, not the preamble. Get to the point immediately. Step 3. Upload to YouTube as a short. Give it a clear descriptive title that mirrors the question. Add a short description with relevant keywords. Step 4. Post 2 to 3 times a week. Consistency builds algorithmic momentum. Step 5. After 4 weeks, look at your data. Which shorts get the most views? Make more like those. The window before this platform becomes as saturated as Instagram is narrowing. The businesses that start now will build a compounding advantage. Every shot you post is a searchable asset that keeps working for you. 200 billion views a day, and most of your competitors are not there yet. That is your opportunity. So go get it now. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, follow and subscribe.